Hi creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching my videos, for liking my videos, for your comments, and also subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, you are welcomed. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. On this channel, I upload sewing tutorials, hair accessories, DIYs, and crafts. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to make this very cute baby top. It's so simple and easy to make. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching. The materials I'll be working with for the main top here, I have 17 inches by 27. This is the strap, the shoulder strap. I have here 3.5 by 43 inches. This strip here is for the armhole, and I have 4 pieces here. The measurement is 1.5 by 10.5. This is for the armhole, to turn the armhole. And for the turning of the neck, I have 3 inches by 22.5. This one I have 2 pieces. Here is the pocket. What I have here is 5.75 by 5.75. So the first thing I'm going to do is this one, the main fabric. I have 2 pieces here. I'm going to turn it into 2 this way. I folded it into 2 this way. From the top, I'll go in by 3 inches. And the down, I'll go down by 4 inches. I'll roll it across. Next thing I'm going to do is to make a curve. Then I'll cut it out. I've opened it. The next thing I'm going to do is to turn the 4 armholes. What I'm going to do, I'll place it right side facing each other from this way. This point. I'll turn it. Then I'll flip it over. I'll notch, then I'll fold it inside. I'll do same for this, the 4 armhole, and come back and show you. So I've stitched the armhole. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut open. I'll cut out this excess here. I will top stitch here. I'll top stitch here. Then I'll fold it into 2 this way. I'll fold it into 2 and stitch it. I'll do same for other 3 armholes and come back and show you. I top stitch and also folded it into 2 this way. Folded all the 4 parts. The next thing I'm going to do is to turn the neckline. I'm going to place it this way. The center of it, I'm going to stitch it. I've stitched it. Next thing I'm going to do is to cut open it this way. After cutting it opening, I'll top stitch only on the lining part, right? After top stitching, I'm going to fold here, these ends. I'll fold this end this way, right? Then I'll fold this top here. I'm going to fold it like this. Fold this one this way. Fold it like this. And make a casing and fold it again. I hope you understand me. And stitch here. This down one. I'll do same for the other one. So now I want to work on my pocket. The pocket, like I said, is 2 piece. I'll fold it into 2 this way and fold it into 4. Like this. The next thing I'm going to do is to measure 2.75. I'll measure 2.75 round and cut it. Trying to connect it. Then I'll cut it out. So this is what I have. This is the circle. I'll fold it into 2. I'll turn it this way. Then I'll stitch. I'll leave 1 inch opening so that I can turn it inside out. Then this is for the strip. The strip, I'm going to fold it into 2 this way. Fold it into 2 this way and stitch on it. I've stitched it round and I left 1 inch opening so that I can use to turn it. I'm going to cut it this way. Then I'll turn it. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll fold this place inside, this opening inside. Then I'll iron it properly. I'll also turn this one inside out. This fabric, I didn't interface it or whatsoever. I didn't add structure to it. I got this fabric as bay fabric and it came interfaced. So you don't really need to interface your fabric. I hope you understand me. I'm going to turn it this way. Use my screwdriver. And push it. I'm going to iron it then. I'll come back and show you. Ironed it. The next thing I'm going to do is to close up this stitch. When I close up this stitch, I'm going to fold it this way by 1.5. When I fold it this way by 1.5, I'll tack this button here, right? I'll tack it after closing this opening. Then on the top, I'll place my pocket this way, right? And stitch to this point. I hope you understand me. Then I'll come back and show you. Attach the pocket to the top. I attached it to the right side of the top. I'll take the back piece and place it on top the front, right side facing each other this way. Then I'll stitch 1 inch sewing allowance here. Then I'll also hem the down. I'll fold it down into 2 and hem it and come back and show you. Have sewn the sides and hemmed it down. I also ironed it, right? The next thing I'm going to do is to pass the strap. Through this opening. I'm just going to take it round. I'll pass it round to this other side and also bring it out from this place. I'll take out the pin. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold it inside this way and stitch. I'll do the same for this other side. Fold it inside and stitch. I've stitched it. The next thing I'm going to do is to push it this way, right? Make a knot. Trying to arrange the ball Wow, it's looking so cute. To the pocket. Your baby can put her lollipop, chocolates in here. Alright, that will be all for today's tutorial. If you found this video useful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Lastly, share this video. Thank you.